GPU, Graphics Processing Unit. Originally designed for rendering graphics, GPUs excel at the parallel mathematical operations needed for training and running AI models. They are the primary hardware for modern AI. Why it matters? GPU availability is a major bottleneck for AI development. The AI boom has made GPUs from NVIDIA among the most sought after and supply constrained technology in the world. Think of it this way, like a massive kitchen with hundreds of burners compared to a single burner stove. CPUs handle tasks one at a time, GPUs handle thousands simultaneously. For example, NVIDIA's H100 GPU can perform over 4 petaflops of AI computation, and training a frontier model might require thousands of these GPUs working in parallel.